Alright, we're coming at you in 4K today because this is really important. I'm making McMuffin Whoppers or something. So I've got hash browns, 2 hash browns. They're cooking at 220 degrees Celsius. They're going to take half an hour. That gives me plenty of preparation. How old is this? Plenty of preparation time to work on what I need to do. So, what is involved? Hello, Pepper. What is involved in an English McMuffin McWhopper? Okay, English muffins. That's a definite. That's probably one of the easier parts. So I need them. This is essentially not a bacon and egg McMuffin, but I guess it's just an egg and hash brown McMuffin. I'm trying to replicate what McDonald's do. So let's have a look. So I got the muffins. All right, that's important. Muffins. Now the trick is to only toast one side. I think. I'm not sure. Hey Siri, pause. Bloody trying to get me a copyright infringement. Rigididge, Voodoo Gurus. Half an hour. How the hell do you make eggs? I'm the sort of person who'll get some frozen wedges and I'll eat them as a meal. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen. The kitchen would have a... Well, there's got to be a fry pan somewhere, but let's first go looking for the circle things. Oh, the eggs. Let's get the eggs out. It was quite exciting when I went and bought these. Oh, there's my shelf. Beautiful. I wrote my name on the top. So these have an outdoor density of a maximum 1,500 hens per hectare. The home brand has about 10,000 hens per hectare. That's a lot of chickens. And as I have 2 chickens of my own, well, they're not technically mine, I'll just go and say hello to them. Hello, Chip. Yeah, Chip doesn't care. Hello, Chip. Hello, Tilly. What you doing? Say hi for the camera. Hello. You're not going to say hello? I didn't think you would. Come on. Come on. Tilly's a good bird. No, you're not going away. I've got to make the McMuffins, Tilly. Just calm down, all right? Okay. So they lay eggs apparently. Apparently, that's pretty good. So I've never made eggs, but always wash your hands before cooking. Okay. That tomato's from the garden too. That's pretty cool. Eggs. Yes, here they are. These things. Oh, they look good. I like the way the metal. Oh no, it's just egg from someone else. That's great. That's fantastic. That's good to see them before they were put back in here. This one's actually chipping metal, so that's probably not a good thing. So I'm not going to use that one. Put it back and someone else can deal with it. Oh man, I didn't anticipate having to do this. We're going to leave it to soak. Actually, it's probably easier to remove when it's not soaking. Okay, that's doing something. Kitchen things. Guys, this is going to be as terrible as cooking with McRetro from back in, oh god, that was a while ago. Fry pan! Okay, that's a wok. I know that's a wok. So I bought one very similar to it for someone. And they loved it. Okay, this is a... This one's non-stick-ish looking. I don't know. The surface is sort of removed a little bit. No, I don't know what it is. Scan pan, so it can't be too bad. In worst case, I get Alzheimer's and I forget about it. Oh, that'd be terrible. Okay, so now you got to make sure that the pan is a similar size to this. I don't know where I picked that up from. But I read it somewhere, and it makes sense, I guess, for even cooking. Did I set the countdown timer? Oh boy, I'll just go off the video time, 5 minutes. So that'll be done in 25 minutes. Okay, so I've got eggs, I've got 1 ring. How long do you cook an egg for? Oh man. Don't need sauce. The egg is nice. Hash brown. The muffins. I've got to work out how to cook the muffins. Okay, alright. So much stuff in here. What is this doing on the counter? Over here. I don't even know why this is still here. I'm just gonna slide it across. Nope, it's not gonna slide because it's on a grippy thing. That's fine. I'm not upset. So this is the rear left. So it's this one, okay? Oh, eggs. Okay. All right. Well, let's do it. Oh gosh. This is exciting. Just watch that egg for a second. I'll just finish cleaning this. Wiltshire. Cleaning this thing very well. If anything, I've just probably disturbed all the grime that was on there, and now it'll come off and stick with the egg that I'm about to eat. If I cook this right. How do you crack an egg? Oh, there's so many things I haven't done in my life. Oh, there is some rust. Oh, that's good. I was worried I wasn't going to get enough rust in my diet. Okay, so the trick to cooking eggs that I saw on the television is that you need to crack the egg while the fry pan is hot. Of course, that could have been a completely different egg thing. It could have been an omelette for all I know. Well, either way, it doesn't. I'm not phased if the egg is hot when I'm eating it. These McMuffins are actually quite nice when they're when they've been sitting there a while. One McMuffin out. Okay, I need a plate or something. Probably a good idea. Okay, alright, now we're nearly cooking. So, a McMuffin. Okay, so McRetro McMuffin. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm gonna need some sort of oil, maybe a butter. What's this? Olive oil. Do I want olive oil? What's the difference? Or classic oil? That looks like Aldi. I'm gonna leave that one in there. Don't need lead poisoning today. So I reckon if I put some of this on here, and then put it onto the thing, the trick is to open the McMuffin. I mean, they're not McMuffins yet, they're just English muffins. They'll be McMuffins once I'm done with them. Okay. Now, I turned that stove on, didn't I? I turned the right one on? Turn up some more. It's going. Not quite cooking with gas, but best we've got. Okay. Plus, with the solar panels running overhead, that's as good as free electricity. Wish I knew where my camera stand was. Uh-oh. Alright, let's... This next bit's going to be really, really important. What did I do? Why is it back at 3 seconds? No. I guess I should be careful not to press the buttons on the side. That's okay. Alright, so there's a bit of butter, olive oil, spread and olive. You know what, I just remembered there probably is an actual spray can of oil. It's fine. It's fine. Oh man, I messed up. Alright. So someone else has turned up and they helped me, but it didn't work because I burnt the egg quite a bit, and this egg is probably almost ready to flip. As you can see, the protein is denaturing, which is why it changes colour. So all the proteins in their shape are losing their shape. It makes them runny, I guess, and it's turning solid, which is quite exciting. And I've got the muffins, which turned out okay. That's not too bad. It's pretty crisp on one side now. And the hash browns, I don't know what the hash browns are doing. Ugh, they look terrible. Probably should have flipped them also, but you know, time constraints. So I'm trying to make another egg just to see if it's any better. Well, that's not too bad. I'm not really that fussy. Yeah. We'll check it. Now the egg. Now here's the bit. Now you see, it's still sort of watery. They gotta wait. Probably. I don't know. Hope that other guy doesn't come back down and eats all my bloody things. He's like, he's 10 foot wide. Well, there we go. That sounds like I'm cooking. Come on, cook. And it does help to have this at quite a high heat. And it turns out these rings are not Teflon coated. They're just metal, coated metal. And everything sticks to them so the eggs don't come out easy. Looks like I forgot to record. Anyway, there's where we're at. That is an egg. Don't let it tell you otherwise. Uh-oh, where'd the yolk go? Uh-oh. If you can't see the yolk, there might not be any anymore. That's the yolk song. Yeah, next time I'll spray some oil on this. Although knowing how lazy I am, I'll probably never cook these again. I'll sell the eggs on eBay. This is really hard to do with one hand. Can you name some other things that are really hard to do with one hand? That's so wiggly. Oh, two extremes there. Oh god, the muffin things. Probably the hash browns. Uh-oh. Lightly toasted. Alright, that's how you chef. Okay, it's probably more an art than this. Turn off the thing that generates the heat. Check on the other component. I don't know, they look kind of done. Yep, Pepper, good job. Out of the way. Everything is hot and burning me. Everything is hot and burning me. I mean, if I cooked them anymore, that would be very good. They don't look as good as they used to. Alright, we'll cut back with the final product, I think. Cheese! Cheese! cheese on. Put the cheese on before it melts. For the melting temperature, room temperature. I'm too late. It's not working. It's not working at all. Ah, it's hot. Hash brown. Hash brown on first. How not to cook? Gee, that'll be pretty hot. Oh, maybe that's how I'll do it. We get some more cheese. Not for you, Pepper. Maybe later. Egg. I'll make round hash browns. Oh, that's really hot to hold. Maybe the cheese will melt. There's hope yet. I shouldn't eat that bit. That's not the part you eat. Okay, taste testing in a little bit. First bite doesn't count, so I didn't hit the egg. Mmm. It's actually not too bad. I better get back to it. Thanks for watching. Definitely better burnt. That white egg yellow, solid. Definitely better. Maybe a little too burnt. Till next time. McRetro out.